Hey there. Subscribe to my channel and also press this bell icon so you can get latest video notifications.
Good morning students, how are you all? I think you are all fine. I am a teacher, Ms. Afroza. Today I am taking EVS subject. Today's topic is animals. Domestic animals, pet animals and wild animals. Now do first number 5 animals. Domestic animals and pet animals. Now start the class. The first one is domestic animals. Domestic animals are useful to us in many ways. We keep them at the farm. We tame them for different purposes. Okay. First one, cow. COW, cow. Buffalo. BUFFALO, buffalo. Next, horse. HORSE, horse. Next, donkey. DONKEY, donkey. Next, goat. GOAT, goat. Now next, sheep. SHEEP, sheep. Now pet animals. We keep some animals in our houses. They are called pet animals. We love our pet animals. We play with them. Pet animals. The first one, cat. This one what? Cat. CAT, cat. Now next, dog. DOG, dog. Now next, parrot. PARRROT, parrot. Now next, pigeon. PIGEON, pigeon. Now next, rabbit. RABBIT, rabbit. Now next, lovebirds. LOVEBIRDS, lovebirds. Now next, wild animals. Some animals live in jungles. They are called wild animals. Most of them are dangerous. We can see them in a zoo. Wild animals. See the pictures. These are all wild animals. Now read one by one. The first one, lion. LION, lion. Now next, elephant. ELEPHANT, elephant. Now next, tiger. TIGER, tiger. Now next, FOX, fox. This one what? FOX, fox. Now next, now see next picture, zebra. ZEBRA, zebra. Now next, bear, B-E-A-R, bear. See the pictures. Now next, see the picture. This one what? Kangaroo, K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O, kangaroo. Next, giraffe, G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe, G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. Now next, this one what? Leopard, L-E-O-P-A-R-D, leopard. Now next, monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Now next, deer, D-E-E-R, deer. Now do worksheet number 4. Put a tick for domestic animals and for wrong wild animals. Okay, see the picture. First one, buffalo. Buffalo is domestic animal. Tick it. Deer. Deer is wild animals. Wrong it. Next, sheep. Sheep is domestic animals. Tick it. Kangaroo. Kangaroo is wild animals. Wrong it. Next, horse. Horse is domestic animals. Tick it. Leopard. Leopard is wild animals. Wrong it. Next, goat. Goat is domestic animal. Tick it. Lion. Lion is wild animals. Wrong it. Next, cow. Cow is domestic animal. Tick it. Understood, students? You also do the worksheet number 4. Okay. Next, you read the animals, all animals, domestic animals, packed animals and wild animals with spelling. Understood? Today's class is finished. Next class we will do next. Okay. Bye students. Bye.